Okay, so let's take a look at the Zap that connects Outlook with Google Sheets. So first, you can take a look at the apps part. Go to the search apps and then type in Outlook. I already have the Outlook connection. Can add additional connections with different logins as well. Similarly, there is Google Sheets, right? So it does happen that sometimes it doesn't appear, but within apps it will appear like this, right? Now I want to connect the two, Outlook and Google Sheets. So I will go to dashboard, and here I will type in when Outlook email comes in, enter it into Google Sheets, right? So we will create a Zap that connects the two, and here you see sync Outlook emails to Google Sheets. So I will click on try it. It will appear within editor. So you will have to connect with Outlook first, right? Once connected, we have to click continue. We have to give it a shared inbox, right? If you don't have it, just continue and it will just push for test trigger. So once the connection that is established, we will have to think over for type of emails in a format. So I will choose one of from that. We just want to take basically the name of sender and the subject. Click continue, and here the event is, let's say, update the spreadsheet or something like that. So update spreadsheet row, right? So I will continue with that. Again, we have to connect to spreadsheet, and then here you have to choose the drive, then you have to choose the spreadsheet, right? I will choose the spreadsheet named, let's see, Zapier demo, right? Then there is worksheet number 1, right? Then for row nothing appears, right? We'll just choose custom with sender email name, right? Now there is one more field that should appear. Can always use back and then go back here. Now here you have name and subject, only two things to enter into. So if we choose that, can always choose from, let's say, our sender email address, right? And then subject, we can also search for subject here. So subject, right? Now let's continue and test this step. Right now here is troubleshooting error due to Google Sheet having the issues, so we can always keep the test and let's see if that works. We will publish it and see everything is okay. So the Zap is published, right? So you just have to watch out with the spreadsheet name, fix that, and you are ready with the Zap. Now whenever Outlook email, particularly new one, comes up, it will update the Google Sheet.